Wabafethu igama lami uCobela Nkosi ngwaZulu Isibongo. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you share this video. So today we're gonna be talking about what is happening lies on Lethu. So as we all know, we've seen ama-marches, we've seen abantu bofika get deported for staying in the country illegally. But the problem that we have is that as much as kwenzeka konke lokho kwenzakalayo, some of us we don't have knowledge ukuthi kungani they get deported. You understand that? And what are the requirements for umuntu wangaphandle ukuthi ekhona ukuhlala la eSouth Africa? Umuntu ke nje ukuze ebe legally kulelo zwe lelo yini efunakalayo. So I took it upon myself ukuthi ngenze research and try to understand the Immigration Act of South Africa ukuthi isebenza kanjani. You understand? So angifunanga ukuthi ngichazele abantu or ngikhulume ngento engenayo clear understanding yayo. So I went through ilo ya South Africa, then this is what I've got. So Immigration Act, they say the South African Immigration Act number 13 of 2002 treats undocumented entry, overstaying or bypassing official border controls as a criminal offense. So which means if you are entering a country ngaphandle kokuba ne proper documentation or kongena ezweni la ungamelanga ungene khona wena, lokho kuyi criminal offense, automatically it makes you a criminal. You understand? And then the law categorizes anyone who enters or remain in the country without proper legal authorization as an illegal foreigner. So umthetho la eSouth Africa uthi ke bonke labantu laba abangene ezweni ngongemthetho or without having a proper documentation, labo bantu labo ibona ke labantu labo kulwisana nabo ababizwa ngama illegal foreigners. Okay? The act tackles illegal entry and presence through specific mechanism. Okay? What constitutes illegal entry? Yini ke edala ke abantu ukuthi bengene ezweni ngongemthetho. Under the act, a person is entering illegally if they enter the country at any place other than official designated port of entry. So wonke umuntu ongena ezweni ngaphandle kwala okumele ngene khona, lowo muntu lowo ungena ezweni ngokungemthetho. You understand? So which means if you want to enter a South Africa, there are designated borders for you to come through a South Africa. Then once we created your own way in, then lapho you are no longer someone who is legally in the country. You are an illegal foreigner. Okay? Fail to present themselves to an immigration for examination or fail to produce a valid passport and a required visa. Yes? Or someone who use fraudulent or forged documents or someone else valid paperwork to clear border control. Not only abantu abangena ezweni mhlambe bengangenanga la kumele ngena khona, but also abantu abaforge ipaperwork or abantu abatshontsha izinto zabanye abantu, they make it as if izinto zabo. You understand? Labo bantu labo, they still fall under an illegal foreigner. Shooting just bafaka kwi-group A1 labo bantu labo. Okay? Siyabuya ke sizo understand manje ukuthi umuntu ukuze bemdeporte kusukela kuphi, yabo? So deportation and detention under section 32 and 34. The Act gives immigration and police officers broad enforcement power to manage illegal foreigners. Arrest and detention. An immigration officer or police officer can request anyone to prove their legal state. If they cannot satisfy the officer that they are in a country lawfully, they can be arrested or detained without a warrant of deportation. So meaning ukuthi a police officer has a right to request a proof ukuthi wena you are in the country ngokusemthethweni, and if you fail to do that, iphoyisa lomthetho linelungelo lokuthi likubophe ngaphandle kwe-warranty ye-deportation. You understand? Okay, let's carry on. Now we are looking at mandatory departure. You understand? Under section 32, the mandate that an illegal foreigner must leave the country unless specifically authorized by the Director General of Home Affairs to stay. So which means that kumele uhambe ezweni according to section 32 unless uauthorizwe abezenhlalakahle ukuthi wena you can stay in the country. I don't know if ngibeka ngendlela right. Okay. Detention time limit. A person can be detained for up to 30 days. This can be extended up to 90 days, but South African courts have ruled that any extended detention requires strict judicial oversight to protect human rights. Okay? Criminal offense and penalties under section 49. Okay. Illegal entry isn't just an administrative issue, but it carries criminal consequences. Unauthorized entry. Anyone who enters or stays in South Africa in violation of the Act faces criminal charges. Penalties upon conviction range from fines to imprisonment for up to 4 years. Returning after deportation, if you deport, and then when you decide to South Africa, if a person has been formally deported and attempts to return without express or lawful authority, they can commit a severe offense. Penalties for finding illegal entry. Penalties for aiding illegal entry. The Act aggressively targets anyone who helps someone to enter or stay illegally in the country. So if when you decide to help any person ukuthi engene ezweni or ehlala ezweni ngokungemthetho, zoba sejayivini mfana kithi. You understand? So assisting illegal foreigners. It is a crime to assist, hide or harbor an illegal foreigner. Uthi umthetho waseSouth Africa kubugebengu ukusiza or ufihle umuntu wokufika ongekho emthethweni la eSouth Africa. Now sesiya manje kubaqashi nakwezemfundo. Employment and education. It is illegal for any business to employ an illegal foreigner or for any learning institution to provide training or instructions to them. Employers face a steep escalating fines or prison terms for up to 5 years for repeat an offense. Usho ukuthi if you are an employer and they find you ukuthi you employed abantu abangekho emthethweni, you can be imprisoned for up to 5 years. So you can spend 5 years of your life in prison for employing abantu abangekho emthethweni here in South Africa. Okay, let's carry on. Accommodation. Hotels, lodges, and guest house are legally required to keep a register of all guest IDs or passport. Failing to do so or knowingly hosting an undocumented individual is punishable offense. So kusho ukuthi ama-lodges, ama-guest house banelungelo lokugcina i-record lawo wonke umuntu ongenayo kuphi ehotela. If betholakala ukuthi bagcine abantu ngokungemthetho lapho, they will be punished for that. We all know what is the punishment then. Okay? Now, we're going to look at the intersection of the asylum law. Yabo? So here they say, while the Immigration Act strictly punishes illegal entry, South Africa's Refugee Act and landmark constitutional court ruling create an important exception. If an illegal foreigner explicitly states an intention to apply for asylum, the deportation process under Immigration Act must be paused until their asylum claim is formally assessed. However, under current regulations, they must show a good cause for entering illegally or delaying their application to be released from detention while processing. So now we find that there are people who are doing a business in South Africa without having a proper documentation. And those people, they claim ukuthi bona bayahlukumezeka if umphakathi sewuyisukumela leyo nto leyo sewulwa. Yabo? Because you cannot tell me ukuthi wena you came to your country and enter South Africa without having a proper documentation. Then when I figure South Africa, on top of ukuthi ungene without having a proper documentation, wafika wavula business. Yabo? Because we all know ukuthi for you to be able to run or to open a business here in South Africa or any other country, you need to have a permit that is required for any person who wants to open a business in a foreign land. That a permit that allows you ukuthi uvule business kulolo zolelo. We find that there are schools who allows iy'ngane zabantu bokufika abangekho emthethweni ukuthi zifunde while iy'ngane zala eSouth Africa zingayitholi ikhala. I'm not against indaba yabantu bokufika, but into engiyifisayo nengifuna siyi-understand ukuthi izwe nezwe linomthetho walo and kumele ukuze khona ukuhlaliswana kahle ukuthi abantu belandele umthetho walelo zwe lelo. So guys, ilokho bengifuna ukudlulisa mina just ukuthi si-understandane ukuthi lento i-Immigration Act isebenza kanjani. Because a lot of people are confused ukuthi okay fine, abantu bayakhishwa bayahanjiswa emazweni abo, abantu bakwatile, yini reason? You understand? It's not like South African people are against foreign people, but we want people to obey or follow our rules and law regulations alike South Africa. You understand? If you want to enter the country, enter South Africa legally. Have proper documentations. Have papers that allows you to be here in the country. If you have a travel visa, it must show that you are not here to open a business here in South Africa. Be a visitor, be a tourist. You understand? If visa states that wena uyi student, then akubonakale phela ukuthi uyafunda, awungatholakali nge-student visa wena sewutholakala urun business. You understand? If you are an asylum seeker, it must show ukuthi okay fine. As an asylum seeker, it must show ukuthi okay fine. Ezweni lakho ke ngabe yini ekuxoshe khona? Ngabe uxoshe ukuthi izimpi ze-religion, or mhlambe wena mhlambe ugay, izwe lakho alovumelane mhlambe nalokho, then you chose ukuthi ngcono ubaleke because abakutreating ngendlela e-right, or kunezimpi ezweni lakho. But before that, most of the people who are holding asylum permits abantu emazweni abo ongaliwa, like there is no political wars, nothing. There is peace. Just abantu, they took advantage knowing ukuthi South Africa vele kampunzi idlimini. So injalo indaba. I hope we all understand ukuthi imithetho isebenza kanjani and I wish ukuthi wonke umuntu ofuna ukungena ezweni lethu nofuna ukuphuma ezweni lethu mangabe you are you are a South African, iziphi izinto oyinyathelo kumele uhambe pay wazo. You cannot enter someone's country without having a proper documentation. You cannot enter someone's country without knowing ukuthi uyokwenzani kulelo zwe lelo. If you are going to visit, you must visit and come back. And there will be given days ukuthi okay fine, as a visitor we allow you to stay in our country for this period of time. Then after this period of time you must go back to your country without ukuthi kumele kuze kuliwe. Ngiyabonga bafethu isikhathi senu, singakhuluma kuze kushona ilanga, asiphinde sitholane ngokuzayo. Please, if ungaka subscribe to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you comment and tell us ukuthi what do you think about what is happening in this country, and make sure ukuthi you share it to your friends. Nje it's cool. Ngiyabonga, ngiyathanda.